How's it going? Today I'll show you the best downloader codes that you can use on your Firestick device to get amazing apps, which are not available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And without any further ado, the first step is, of course, you need to have the downloader application if you don't already have it. So in order to get this app, just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So just click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now in order to set up downloader, we'll go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And in here, what you have to do is you need to turn on developer options on your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if we go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you need to go to install unknown apps. And in here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your Firestick device. Here it is, we open it. And now here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Cyprus right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So go back to the list of apps on your Firestick device, open it up, and then finally head straight to downloader. So we open downloader, and now in here what we'll have to do is enter the links or the codes right here in that search bar. So now the first code we'll enter will be for amazing movie application for your Firestick. So the code for that will be 492152. So once again, it's 492152. Make sure to enter the code as you see, click on go, and now the download of the app will start. So usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, when the app was downloaded, we also have to install it to our devices, so click install, and now in a couple of moments it will be installed on our Firestick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead we should click on done, because this way we get rid of unnecessary installation files, which you don't really need anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you save yourself some free space on your device. And now when we go to the list of applications on our Firestick, here it is, we open it up, then scroll down at the bottom, and here is the first app that we have downloaded. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and of course out of trouble online. Then feel free to open that app, and in here you'll get access to a lot of movies and TV shows. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in this app, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So that's the first app that we got for you today with the help of Downloader, but it is not the only one. So let's go back to Downloader and I'll show you how to get even more amazing apps for your Firestick device. So we just have to head back to the list of applications, open it up again, head to Downloader, open it as well. Now when it opens, once again we move back to the search bar, and now we'll start using another code. So the second code today will be 59601. So once again 59601. That's the second code. Let's click on go. And now the download of that second app will start for us as well. And there you go, the download has started, so we just wait a bit until it finishes for us. And then you click install and just wait for the app to finally get installed on your Firestick. And then again we click on done, so this way we make sure to delete unnecessary installation files from your device. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Firestick, you will open it up, and here at the bottom you'll find the second app that we have downloaded. So let's put it up front as well, and now you got 2 amazing apps. This one is also amazing for movies and TV shows, so let's open it up. And from here you also get a lot of movies and TV shows, and once again I had to blur out my screen for the same reason as before, but once again in your case it won't be blurry. So that's the second app we got for you, and now let's go back to the loader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing app for the Firestick devices. So we move back to the loader, open it again, and now in here the last code today will be 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. So once again 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. That will be the third code we are using today on our Firestick device. And then click go, and now the download of the third application has successfully started to our Firestick. As always, you just click on install and wait for that app to finish installing, and then we make sure to delete unnecessary files from your Firestick device. Then we go to home and then to the list of apps on your device. And here at the bottom you'll find this last third application which we have downloaded. So let's put it up front as well. And now you got 3 amazing apps for movies or TV shows on your Firestick. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.